second start in 30 years. Got to do a little cleaning inside here still, but 67,000 original miles, little saggy in the headliner. Rest of the interior's in beautiful condition. They say she's been sitting in a garage for a few years, so she needs to just be cleaned up a bit, which I'm going to continue doing. Doing some polishing on the outside, and she'll be ready to go. Everything works. Wipers, doors, windows. Locks. Radio.
At a Turning Point USA Conservative Conference. Campaign fundraiser in LA. A campaign fundraiser.
Man, don't know if the AC is going to work. Don't think she's going to work. Tilt wheel. Horn. Rear defrogger. Lights. Everything else works. Great car. Could be yours.